Namaskar everyone. I'm Dr. Sudhir Matpati, working as an assistant professor at Adarsh Mahavidyalay, Umarga district, Osmanabad, Maharashtra. I'm the participant of this first online short-term course on e-content development, which has been organized by the Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, from 28th of May 2020 to 3rd June, that is today, 2020. So I'm here to give my brief feedback on this course. So here, first of all, I would like to share with you all that with the help of this course, we have learned so many things from this course about e-content development, different tools, how to prepare PPT with our self video. We got acquainted with MOOCs and different courses. We have come to know about in detailed what exactly the Google Classroom is, how it works, what are the different functions of this Google Classroom. We also have learned to design our own website, and the most important part is that we have learned to see ourselves on the screen and enjoy. In short, we have learned so many things, and with the help of these things and this knowledge that we have gained from this short-term course, so definitely it is going to benefit our students at large scale. As far as this course is concerned, in short, in nutshell, it has taught us, it has created so many different skills among us about e-content development, and it made us familiar with different tools which are very much useful in developing e-content. As far as resource persons of this short-term course are concerned, so I don't have words to express gratitude towards them, right from respected Professor Jivani sir, then Kamaljit sir, Professor Nilesh sir, then recently we have enjoyed the video of Dr. Vinita Gaikwad ma'am. So all the resource persons are very wonderful, and they have expressed themselves in a great manner. They have given us huge knowledge, huge content about this e-content and how it is going to be benefited for the students in coming phases of our life. I would like to extend the gratitude towards the Human Research Development Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad, for taking initiative and organize the first ever online short-term course on e-content development. And this is the need and hour, I think. And this is the right step taken in right scenario, as everyone, the entire globe has been facing the COVID-19 situation, and we have been experiencing lockdown, and this is the right time to utilize this lockdown period in a productive manner. The last but not the least, I don't have words to express gratitude, and I'm very much in depth towards the director of HRDC of Gujarat University, respected Professor Jagdish Joshi sir. The way right from first day he has inspired every participant to participate actively in this short-term course. His dedication, his consistency, his knowledge, everything is superb, and I don't have words to express gratitude towards him for doing all the needful things for every participant and making this short-term course a huge success. I wish you all the best, sir. In coming period also, we will definitely enjoy such kinds of courses being organized by HRDC of Gujarat University. So thank you everyone, teaching, non-teaching staff, everyone who have directly, indirectly taken efforts to make this short-term course successful. So I am very much satisfied with all the content, all the material provided by HRDC of Gujarat University, and the way they have organized this short-term course. So thank you very much. Thank you one and all. Good day. Bye.